are working on GMetrix PowerPoint Project Review 1. We're on the part of the project called Slide 5. Now, normally I would go ahead and click in this slide to begin, but because we're going to reuse some slides, we actually want to be on Slide 4 so that we will begin on the 5th slide. With Slide 4 selected, we're going to go to the Home tab here at the top. We're in the Slides group. We want to go ahead and click the New Slide dropdown. We're going to reuse slides. We're going to go ahead and click the Browse button here and map to our GMetrix templates folder. We want to go ahead and select Going Green. It tells us that we only want to use slide 2 here, so we're going to go ahead and click this one. Just one click will do, and we're going to close out of this. It tells us to go ahead and resize the table here. So I'm going to put my cursor here, and I'm going to select the outside edge of this table just to make sure I have the entire table selected. With that, we have the Table Tools Layout tab at the top, and it tells us to change the width to 9.5. So we'll go ahead and type in here. We'll select Enter, and we'll go ahead and check that we completed that task. This task wants us to go ahead and modify this table. It's going to have us do that by adding a row below. Now, I'll be honest, the instruction set on this is not very clear, and it can be easy to get confused on this. But we'll go ahead and put our cursor here in the last row. We're on the Table Tools Layout tab. What we're going to do is in the rows and columns groups, click Insert Below. It tells us some text that we're going to need to type for immediately and near future. It tells us to go ahead and also change the style of this table. With our cursor here in the table, we can go to the Design tab here at the top. We're in the Table Styles group. We'll click the More drop down here. It tells us it's a medium, so we're going to go ahead and look in here. Select Medium Style 2 Accent 5. And we'll check that we completed this task.